like color, Mom. What color do you like? Green. Oh, I see. Okay. Tony, let's start. What's this? Giraffe. Very good. This one. Oh, this one. Sleep. Okay, this one. Who's this? Grandpa. Nice. This one. Very good. This one. Eating. Okay, who's this? Very good. What's this? Very good. What's this? Oh, what's this? Very good. Who's this? What's this? Rhino. Okay, what's this? Reading. Okay, what's this? Sit. Okay, what's this? Playing. Okay, who's this? Okay, now Tony, what animal do you like? What animal do you like? Like a monkey, zebra, giraffe, flamingo, tiger, lion. What animal do you like? I